So today we are going to start with Bloom's taxonomy of objectives. This was given by Dr. Benjamin Bloom in the year 1950. He gave three domains: cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domain. These three domains deals with 3H. Cognitive domain deals with head, affective domain deals with heart, and psychomotor domain deals with hands. So basically 3H are involved. Bloom's basically focuses on the cognitive domain. Rest psychomotor domain, it was added later on. We'll talk about it later. So Bloom's taxonomy basically deals in hierarchy from simple to complex and concrete to abstract. It means students, they move according to their abilities from lower order thinking skills to higher order thinking skills. That is lower order thinking level to higher order thinking level. So teachers, they have to teach from simple to complex, concrete to abstract. It means the things which are nearer to their daily life, they have to be taught first rather than the subjects or topics which examples which are not near to them, which they cannot see easily. The original level of Bloom's taxonomy in cognitive domain is from knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Knowledge is lower level and evaluation is the highest level. So in 1990s, Anderson, he revised this Bloom's taxonomy and he gave the another. What he did basically is he converted the verbs used in Bloom's taxonomy into action verbs. Sorry, not verbs, nouns. The noun words used in Bloom's taxonomy, he converted those nouns into action verbs in revised taxonomy. So remembering becomes the lower order. Remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Creating becomes the higher order thinking skill, to create rather than to evaluate. So original terms were evaluation, synthesis, analysis, application, comprehension, knowledge. Knowledge becomes remembering, comprehension become understanding, application become applying, analysis become analyzing, synthesis become evaluating. Synthesis become creating, and evaluation become evaluating. The thing which you need to focus on it, that synthesis. Synthesis, it converts to creating, and evaluation, it becomes evaluating. So the synthesis, that is creating part, it becomes the higher order thinking level. So these are some verbs which you can use to frame the objectives like list, memorize, relate, show, etc. And you can use products, quiz, definition, list, workbook, reproduction, vocabulary. So the questions for remembering, for example, are: what happened after? How many? What is? Who was it that? Can you name? Find the definition of. For example, what happened after you boiled the water? So the normal answer the student will give is that water vapors are formed. And these are basically potential activities and products which a teacher can use. Recite a poem you have learned, make a chart showing, write a list of keywords you know about, make a concept map of the topic, make a timeline of your typical day. This was all about Bloom's taxonomy of educational objectives. Thank you so much.